My name is Dev Dhaparkar and I'm a student currently studying at LJ Polytechnic. I'm in the fourth semester of Diploma in Computer Engineering. And the three things I really like about our college is its community, students, and the teachers. Well, the teachers are highly knowledgeable, approachable to doubts that the student may have. The community is so diverse with people from many different backgrounds. The community is always striving for something new, and new events are hosted by LJ University every now and then, bring this community together. The students here are so approachable and always frank with each other. I've seen people making groups for their events and performances. I personally had a band and I used to play as a guitarist in such events hosted by LJ University. And that was a great experience. Lastly, LJ University is a perfect place for a student who is looking to excel in their chosen field. Personally, I did my school in DPS East, and after that, I chose diploma as a career option. And for me, LG University made the perfect sense. It had everything what I needed. So yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my testimony. See ya.